What if I told you that this simple flower can reduce stress, improve your skin, and even be eaten? Most people think carnations are just beautiful decoration flowers, but they have some surprising benefits you probably didn't know. In this video, you'll discover the hidden health benefits, unique uses, possible side effects, and even how to grow carnation flowers at home. First, carnations are one of the most popular ornamental flowers in the world. Their bright colors and soft petals make them perfect for decoration, bouquets, and special occasions. But there's more to it. Carnations also carry deep meanings. For example, red carnations symbolize love, while pink ones represent gratitude and admiration. This is why they are often used in gifts and emotional moments. Now let's talk about health. Carnations contain natural antioxidants that help protect your body from damage caused by harmful free radicals. This supports overall health and may help slow down aging. In traditional herbal practices, carnation flowers have been used to calm the body and improve relaxation. Some people even use them in natural remedies. Another interesting benefit about carnation is its stress reduction. Carnation essential oil is used in aromatherapy to relax the mind. Its gentle fragrance can help reduce anxiety and create a peaceful environment. And here's something many people don't know about carnation. Carnations may also support your skin health. Extracts from these flowers are sometimes used in skincare products to improve skin texture and give a natural glow. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. This means they may help reduce swelling, irritation, and discomfort in the body. On top of that, carnations can act as a natural mood booster. Just seeing or smelling them can make you feel calmer and happier. Another practical benefit of carnation is their long-lasting freshness. Compared to many other flowers, carnations stay fresh for a longer time after being cut. This makes them a favorite choice for home decoration. Now here comes the surprising part. Yes, carnations are edible. They can be used in teas, desserts, or as beautiful garnishes for food. However, they should always be cleaned properly before consumption. However, not everyone reacts the same way. Some people may have allergic reactions to carnations, especially when applied to the skin or consumed. Symptoms may include irritation or discomfort. So it's always best to test a small amount first and use them in moderation. If you want to grow carnations at home, the good news is they are quite easy to grow. They need well-drained soil, plenty of sunlight, and moderate watering. A simple trick is to remove dead flowers regularly, which helps the plant produce more blooms. So, carnations are not just beautiful, they're useful, meaningful, and even beneficial for your health. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content like this.